Hello everyone. You are watching my channel EduDig with Neeta. Today we will talk about the basic concepts of algebraic expressions. In this video, I will explain you what are the constants, variables, what are terms, like terms and unlike terms, then what is the factors, coefficients, how to add and subtract the terms and also the algebraic expressions. So first we will see what are algebraic expressions. When constants and variables are combined with any arithmetic operation, they will form a algebraic expression. So here arithmetic operation can be addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. So here main two terms are there, constants and variables. Constant has a fixed value and variable means it has a varying value. So in this expression, if you see that x plus 8 is there, x is a variable and 8 is a constant. The variable is a symbol that has various numerical values. X can be 1, 2, 3, 4, any number, any numerical value. But constant will have a fixed value. It should be fixed value. So two terms we have, constants and variables. These are very important because all the way in algebra we will use the variable and constants only. Now in this example, if you see xy minus 6, if you divide this expression in two parts, we will get the terms. Like xy is first term and minus 6 is the other term. So these are called the terms. So to find out the value of this expression, we need to have the value of these variables x and y. So if we have the value of x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2, we can find out the value of this expression xy minus 6, which is nothing but 5 multiplied by 2 minus 6 is 4. So to find out the value of any expression, you need to have the value of the variables, because constant already has a value. Now we will see the parts of algebraic expressions. Now you already know what are the terms. So in this expression you can find out the terms 5x and minus 6x square y. These are the two terms of this expression. What are the factors? In this term, if you see 5x, 5 and x are the factors for 5x, because if you multiply 5 and x, you will get the term 5x. Same way we can check the factors for minus 6x square y also. So the factors of minus 6x square y are minus 6, x and y. Now we will see the coefficient of terms. Any factor in a term is called the coefficient of the remaining part of the term. So any factor means here in 5x, if you see 5 is the factor of 5x. So this is your numerical value. So this coefficient of 5x is equal to 5. And in the other term, if you see minus 7x square y, the factor of this term is minus 7. Minus 7 is multiplying by x square y. So the coefficient of this term is equal to minus 7. So these are called the coefficients. So coefficient is nothing but the numerical value of the term. So this is also called this constant is called the constant coefficient, is the numerical coefficient. This is how we can calculate we can find out the coefficients. Now we will see the terms. There are two types of terms, like terms and unlike terms. Like terms will have the same degree. Degree means degree is nothing but the power, exponent that your variable is holding. So like terms has the same degree and same type of variable also. But unlike terms has the different degree and variable also can be different. Like in this example, if you see x minus x, 3x and 6x, three terms are there. Here if you see variables are same x, and x, but degrees Degree is also same. X is holding a degree 1. So this is like term. But in other example, if you see x square y, degree is also different and variables are also different. So these are the unlike terms. This is how we will check the like and unlike terms. Now we will see the types of algebraic expressions. The first one is monomial, second one is binomial, third one is trinomial, and fourth one is polynomial. So monomial has the one term and no arithmetic operation. One term means like 5x, it is only one term. If you check 5x plus 6 means it will have two terms, so it will not be monomial. Binomial will have two terms. Bi means 2. So binomial will be having two terms like 6x minus 7. Trinomial will have three terms. And polynomial will have more than three terms. So trinomial has three terms. Like example, if you see here, x square plus 5y plus 2. This is the example for trinomial. And more than 3 terms will give you the polynomial. So polynomial has many terms. Many terms, they can be more than 3, like 4, 5, 6, any number of terms. In this example, x plus 5y plus 2xy plus y square minus 7, we have 5 terms. So it is a polynomial expression. Now we'll see how to add and subtract the terms. Only like terms can be added and subtracted together. We cannot add or subtract the unlike terms. In this example, 4x and 5x, these are like terms because these are having the same variable and same degree. But other one, if you see 4x and 5y, variables are also different and degree is same but variables are different. So these are unlike terms. We cannot add or subtract them. So if you add 4x and 5x, you will get the answer 9x. And you can subtract also. 5x minus 4x is equal to x. So to add and subtract, you have to check the coefficient of the term, then you have to add and subtract. Here in this example, x square and 3x square, these are also like terms because variable is also x and degree is also 2. So these are like terms. But x square, xy and y square, in this one if you see, variables are also different like x square, y square and xy, and degree is also not the same in all the three terms. Now we'll go for the addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. So first see the addition. If you have to add the two expressions, so first thing we need to do that we will put the addition sign. So 5 plus 4y plus 6x plus 2x minus y minus 2. We will write it. Then we will separate the like terms and unlike terms. We will write the like terms together. So like 5 minus 2. 5 and minus 2 are constant, so we will write it together. Then 4y minus y are like terms, we will write it together. And 6x plus 2x, these are like terms, so we will write it together. Then we will calculate the value. Like 5 minus 2, easily we can write 3. But here 4y minus y, how we will calculate? If you see here, the coefficient of 4y is 4 and coefficient of y is minus 1. So we will do 4 minus 1 is 3. So plus 3y we will get. And here 6x plus 2x is equal to 8x. So for adding and subtracting, we have to follow the integer rule if you are adding and subtracting. And we have to add and subtract based on the coefficient only. We need to check the value of coefficient for that term. Now we will do the subtraction. For subtraction, first step same one. We need to write the subtraction symbol like 5 plus 4y plus 5x. Then we will put the minus sign. But here if you use the minus sign, we need to put the brackets for the second expression. So we will do like that, minus. Then what we have to do? We have to multiply this minus sign inside the brackets. Okay. So we have to follow the integer rule again. So minus plus is minus. So we will get minus 2x. Then minus minus is nothing but plus. So we will get the plus y. And minus minus again plus. So we will get the plus 2. Now what is the next step? Next step again we have to check the coefficients and we have to add or subtract based on the sign. So here 5 plus 4y, we can't do this step here because first we have to write the like terms together and then we have to calculate the value. So 5 plus 2 we will write together, then 4y plus y we will write together, and then 5x minus 2x we will write together. So we have written the like terms together. Now we can calculate. So here 5 plus 2 we can write directly 7. 4y plus y means coefficients are 4 and 1. So we will calculate 4 plus 1 as 5. So 5y we will get, and 5x minus 2x means 3x we will get. So plus 3x. This is how we have to do the subtraction part. These only steps we have to follow. The main thing we have to remember to find out the like terms. We will write it together and then based on the coefficient we will calculate the value of the expression, means terms. So this is all about the basic concepts of algebra. I hope you all understood how to add and subtract the algebraic expressions.